Hey, good morning. I want to talk to you briefly about partially lined inserts and why they're a bad idea, and why when they're 25 years old they've reached their useful life. So right here is a sample 6-inch corrugated liner, and you can see the flue collar adapter that connected to this appliance 25 years ago has now absolutely deteriorated. It just comes right off of the actual liner. It's got a improper connection here. They crimped it. The screws are not holding in those to that old adapter. You can see the screw holes are all out. So that is why we put new liners in with band connectors, and you can save somebody's house by preventing the carbon monoxide and creosote leakage up in the flue outside the liner, and then it reverses and comes down around the insert. I'll show you that in just a second. So here we are inside the home. It's a mountain cabin, and you can see inside there is the insert. And here we have this old 25-year-old insert. It's got bricks in here. We're just starting to take them out so we can lighten it up, put it on a flat cart dolly, which we use 3/4 plywood, about 36 inches by 24 inches wide with 5-inch rolling casters. Works great. And over here on top the insert, look at the degradation, the heavy rust inside the appliance. This thing was just totaled. And up inside there, I mean, they just didn't even have the right clearance, so they couldn't properly connect a liner. Again, you guys see this? It's time to replace. Just hit the trigger, 6,000 to 7,000. Complete redo is what needs to be done. Thank you.